Dear seekers of the hidden secrets of the universe, welcome to this fascinating journey through the veils of the mysterious and the unknown. Today, we will delve into the depths of esoteric knowledge, where magic and mystery intertwine in a sublime manner. In this portal between worlds, we will unravel the enigmas that the human mind has only dared to imagine, exploring occultism in its purest form. Here, reality blends with illusion, where will becomes the key that unlocks the unveiled secrets of the cosmos. And remember, my friends, do what thou wilt shall be the whole of the law. Throughout this journey, we will unveil the mysteries of alchemy, reveal the secrets of the stars, and dive deep into ceremonial magic. I invite all of you to abandon conventions and allow your minds to open to the unknown. Prepare yourselves to challenge the boundaries of what is considered possible and to question the nature of reality. However, remember that the pursuit of occult knowledge requires courage, discipline, and a deep respect for the balance between light and shadow. On this path, only the most fearless will thrive, and only those who seek truth above all else will find illumination. So I ask you to subscribe to our channel, activate notifications, so you never miss the unveiled secrets that lie ahead. And now, my friends, without further ado, let's proceed to the video and continue our quest for truth that transcends human understanding. Welcome, travelers of the soul, wanderers of the infinite, and architects of the possible. Today, I open before your eyes the portal to what I call the master art of all eras, magic. A simple word, but one laden with mysteries as deep as the abysses of the cosmos and as vast as the stars that adorn the firmament. Do not be deceived into thinking that this term is reserved only for storytellers or charmers of crowds. The magic I speak of is not a mere trick or illusion. It is the very weaving of the universe. It is the power that slumbers in the heart of every human being, awaiting the moment when the will awakens to free it from the chains of the mundane. And what is the essence of this art, if not the union of the human with the divine? For my dear listeners, know that you are not insignificant creatures at the mercy of chaotic forces. Each one of you is a microcosm of the whole, a fragment of light emanating from the infinite that yearns to return to its primordial source. Magic is the path of that ascent, the means by which the soul remembers its divine origin and reclaims its celestial throne. The mystery of magic in all eras. Observe, then, how magic has always been present in every corner of human history, from the shadows of prehistoric caves to the golden temples of Egypt, from the austere mystery schools of Greece to the silent chambers of medieval alchemists. Magic is the golden thread that unites all spiritual traditions, the hidden language spoken by prophets, priests, sages, and visionaries. And I ask you, what other art can boast such heritage? What other human practice is at once science, philosophy, and religion? Only magic possesses the power to probe the mysteries of the universe while transforming the practitioner into a higher, more conscious, more awakened being. The invitation to awaken. But why do I speak of this now, at this particular moment? Because we live in an age of great forgetting. Modern man, with his machines and theories, has become blind to the invisible. He has lost touch with the sacred, the eternal, the mystery. And it is precisely in this scenario of spiritual void that magic reappears as a beacon, lighting the way for those who dare seek something more. However, Let the curious not confuse themselves with the true aspirants. Magic is not a pastime for the bored, nor an easy solution for the desperate. It is a dangerous and demanding path, one that requires courage, discipline, and above all, devotion. He who enters this path must be willing to confront not only the mysteries of the universe, but also the abysses of his own soul. Therefore, I leave here my invitation. If you feel called to explore what lies beyond the limits of reason, if there is in your heart a spark of yearning for the transcendent, then follow me on this journey. Together, we shall unveil the secrets of the master art of all eras and discover what it truly means to be human and, at the same time, truly divine. Prepare yourselves, for you are about to cross the veil. And remember, magic does not forgive the coward, but rewards the bold abundantly. Let magic not be confused with mere superstition or folklore. On the contrary, magic is the manifestation of the divinity latent in each of us. It is the ability to harmonize our will with the forces of the universe, shaping reality according to a higher purpose. Magic is both science and art, the science that studies the hidden laws of nature and the art that applies them to transcend worldly limitations. It is the synthesis of all philosophies, the key to mysteries, and the gateway to eternal wisdom. From the first whispers of human consciousness, magic has been its faithful companion. Every civilization has left indelible marks on the magical legacy, and it is our duty to honor these spiritual ancestors. Shamanic beginnings. In primitive societies, shamans were the first magicians. Armed with drums and chants, they transcended ordinary perception, journeying to the spiritual realms to heal, guide, and protect their communities. It was an instinctive magic, rooted in a visceral connection with nature. Egypt and the magic of Ra in Egypt, magic reached new heights of sophistication. Priests, masters of word and symbol, wielded power through hieroglyphs, talismans, and rituals that aligned the human microcosm with the divine macrocosm. Heka, the magical word, was the tool for governing universal energies. Greece and Rome, philosophy and practice. Pythagoras taught that numbers are the language of the divine. His sacred geometry inspired generations of magicians to seek cosmic knowledge. In Rome, the mysteries of Eleusis, Mithras, and Isis were initiation portals for those who yearned for spiritual awakening. Medieval alchemy. Medieval alchemists, under the veil of symbolism, preserved ancient wisdom. They sought not only the philosopher's stone, but also the enlightenment of the soul. Their work in laboratories was a metaphor for inner transformation, the alchemical marriage of the sun and moon, spirit and matter. With the Renaissance, a new breath was given to magic. European scholars began to rediscover ancient texts, diving into the secrets of grimoires and the wisdom of the esoteric schools of Greece and Egypt. This period saw the resurgence of Hermeticism, driven by the writings attributed to Hermes Trismegistus. Hermeticism proposed the idea that man was a reflection of the divine and, as such, had the power to influence the cosmos. As above, so below, declared the Emerald Tablet, revealing the fundamental principle of correspondence. This magical formula united philosophy and practice, inspiring alchemists, Kabbalists, and Renaissance magicians such as Marsilio Ficino, Pico della Mirandola, and John Dee. John Dee, in particular, became an iconic figure. A mathematician, astrologer, and advisor to Queen Elizabeth I, he sought to unite science and magic. With his assistant Edward Kelly, he explored the angelic language and developed the Enochian system, which is still used by many ceremonial magicians to establish contact with higher spiritual realms. In the following centuries, ceremonial magic emerged as a structured practice, influenced by Kabbalistic, Hermetic, and Rosicrucian traditions. The creation of orders such as the Golden Dawn in the 19th century marked a new era, where magic was systematized and made accessible to dedicated students. The Golden Dawn and its influence. The Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn was a milestone in esoteric history. It combined elements of alchemy, Kabbalah, astrology, and Enochian magic into a comprehensive system for spiritual self-development. Its rituals were designed to connect the magician with their higher self, the divine essence that resides within all of us. It was in this environment that my own magical journey took shape. Under the influence of the Golden Dawn's masters and practices, I went further, synthesizing their teachings into my own system, Thelema. True magic, as I taught, is the act of aligning the individual will with the cosmos. Do what thou wilt shall be the whole of the law, I proclaimed, not as a permission for chaos, but as a declaration of the supreme importance of the will. Magic, in this context, is a science of self-discovery and realization. The magician must first know their true will, the purpose for which they were born, and then channel all their energy to manifest it. It is a process of internal alchemy, where the base ego is transmuted into the gold of divine consciousness. Magical practice requires tools, not just physical but also symbolic and mental. Each instrument, the wand, the sword, the chalice, and the pentacle, represents an aspect of the magician and their interactions with the universe. The wand represents the will, the magician's power to shape reality. The sword symbolizes the analytical mind and the ability to cut through illusions. The chalice reflects receptivity and intuition, the feminine aspect of magic. The pentacle represents physical manifestation, the tangible result of magical work. But know this, dear listeners, the true instruments of magic are the mind, body, and soul of the practitioner. The external tools are mere reflections of the internal powers. Magic is also a journey, an initiatic path that leads the practitioner through stages of increasing illumination. Each step along the path represents a challenge to be overcome, a veil to be torn. In the beginning, the novice must confront their own shadows, the unresolved aspects of their psyche. The practice of ceremonial magic and meditation helps purify the mind and align the aspirant with higher energies. In the next stage, the magician begins to experience elevated states of consciousness. They discover that reality is malleable and that they, as co-creators, can shape it. Finally, the initiate reaches the state of divine union, where there is no longer any separation between the self and the whole. They become the very channel of the cosmic will, transcending human limitations and touching eternity. Today, magic continues to thrive, albeit under different names and forms. Modern psychology, for example, recognizes magical principles under the guise of concepts like the power of the subconscious and the strength of intention. Contemporary practitioners have access to a wealth of resources, books, courses, and esoteric orders that make magical knowledge more accessible than ever. However, this also demands discernment, for not everything that glitters is gold. Magic is an endless journey, an eternal dance between light and shadow, between the known and the unknown. It is the invitation to become a co-creator of the universe, shaping reality according to divine will. Let this call resonate in your souls. For as I once said, every man and every woman is a star. Within each of you lies the spark of infinity, waiting to be ignited by the torch of magic. Walk with courage, and the universe will bend to your will. Love is the law, love under will. My dear seekers of hidden knowledge, we have come to the end of this journey through the veils of the mysterious and the unknown. It is with deep gratitude that I bid farewell to all of you who have dared to explore the secrets and mysteries we've shared. Always remember, every man and every woman is a star. Each of us is a unique and brilliant light, guiding our own path through the cosmos. May this truth be your compass in the quest for self-discovery and spiritual enlightenment. I thank all those who have joined us on this quest, who have dared to explore the unknown and question the boundaries of reality. Knowledge is an endless journey, and together we will continue to unravel the secrets of the universe. Until the next video, my friends, when once again we will come together to explore the wonders of the occult. Keep questioning, learning, and growing, for each step forward leads us to a deeper understanding of the truth. Until the next video.